Do you know how to use words of contrast like although, even though, in spite of, and despite correctly? Have you ever been confused about what the exact difference is between these words and how to use them in a professional context? If you want to learn the difference between these words, stay tuned. Hey, it's Jenny from Real Estate English Academy, the place for real estate professionals to improve their confidence and fluency in English. The point of this video is to help you get a better grasp on grammar. Even better, we'll also take a look at real estate vocabulary in each of our examples. And we'll also take a short quiz at the end so you can test what you've learned. Let's get started. Even though, although, in spite of, and despite are used to connect two contrasting concepts or to illustrate that one fact makes the other one surprising. All of these expressions can be used at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence. Here's an example. Despite the high asking rent, the vacant space should be let as soon as possible. The vacant space should be let as soon as possible despite the high asking rent. In spite of and despite can be used interchangeably. They're always followed either by a noun, a gerund, which is the ing form of a verb, or a pronoun. Let's take a closer look. The tenant has exercised its break option in spite of the recent refurbishment. Despite being located in the suburbs, the property benefits from high foot traffic. Development has been delayed. In spite of that, we will continue the letting process as planned. Note that in spite of and despite are often used with the expression the fact that, followed by a subject and a verb. In spite of or despite the fact that the premises have been extensively refurbished, the tenant keeps requesting additional outdoor parking. This video is brought to you by Real Estate English Academy, the place for real estate professionals to build confidence and fluency in English. If you want to learn more about real estate English, check out our Real Estate English Kickstarter course. Just follow the link in the description box below. Let's move on to although and even though. Both of these expressions are followed by a subject and a verb. They are very similar in meaning, but even though has a slightly more emphasizing effect than although. Even though the building features low quality fit out, demand is very high. The property is visible from the A9, although access is from Jubilee Street. Got it? Okay, let's move on to the word though. Though has the same meaning as although. Though the tenant has put the decision on hold, we're confident that they will rent additional space. The word though can also go at the end of the contrasting phrase. But be careful. This way of expressing contrast is more common in spoken English than in written communication. The tenant has put its decision on hold. We're confident that they will rent additional space though. Now that we've gone through each point, let's take a short quiz.
Hooray!
Number 1. Although, in spite of, or despite, the building is located in the outskirts, it offers excellent access to public transportation. Number 2. Supply remains limited, even though or in spite of a recent uptick in development activity. Number 3. Although, even though, or despite high headline rent, the tenant agreed to a long lease term. Number 4. The development was completed on time and on budget, despite, in spite of, or even though there were several delays early on in the project. And the answers are number 1, although, number 2, in spite of, Number 3, despite. And number 4, even though. Even though I'm sure you've already subscribed to our channel and have liked all of our videos, you can still support us by asking your colleagues to do the same. See you next time.